I believe that when I meet with clients, a lot of times they are interested in having me personally involved in their case. They don't necessarily want to hire a larger firm and have their file kicked down the hall to a younger attorney perhaps. So I've designed my practice around myself and usually one or two associates that assist me in handling the client's cases. And I believe that the clients appreciate that, knowing that the owner of the firm is involved in the day-to-day handling of their case. I think that one of the common complaints that I hear from clients that have retained lawyers in the past is that they go into a larger firm perhaps, hire the firm, and then when they show up in court, they're never sure which attorney's going to be there to represent them. The firm may have, 5, 10, 15, or 20 different lawyers that practice criminal law, and I think that most clients feel much more comfortable having one or two lawyers that they have had the opportunity to meet and work with handle their case. Prosecutors in many instances have a very regimented set of policies and procedures that they follow with respect to how they decide to resolve cases. And to get them to deviate from the norm, you have to have an understanding of what they would be looking for in terms of particular information about the defendant or your client that might cause them to give you a different opportunity to resolve the case than what they normally would do. Having been a prosecutor gave me the opportunity not only to stand in front of juries and argue cases, but also it pitted me against some of the top defense attorneys within the state, and that was a very good learning experience for myself as a young lawyer. I consider myself one of many very good attorneys here in the Valley. Regardless of what credentials you have, I think the client is primarily interested in knowing, what kind of results you've been able to achieve. And any prospective client is going to use that information in making a decision about whether or not they want to hire Attorney A, Attorney B, or Attorney C. And so it's very important to us to achieve those results, and we're very proud of those.